I have been following Bookleaf from quite a long time, Instagram page. So I've been following it, and when I was randomly scrolling through YouTube, and uspe I saw that, okay, because now Shark Tank is not on it's just on the Sony Live. So I was randomly scrolling through YouTube, and wahan pe I saw you, and then I saw the Bookleaf wala wo. So then I went and saw the episode. So I thought that, oh, I know them already. Like, I've been following them for so long, so I know about this. I knows, but like, for our audience, can you just tell a little bit about yourself and Bookleaf?
So yeah, I'm a co-founder of Bookleaf Publishing. So it's a self-publishing house where we help aspiring writers to publish their books. So in traditional publishing, it's not easy to get your book published. Like, the problems start from getting reply. You don't get a reply from a traditional publisher because of course they are busy. So you are always left in dark. Yeah, na, like of course every writer that I know, they are here, they are an artist, they want to learn something, they want to incorporate the changes, but if they are not getting the feedback, they won't be able to do that. So that is the problem that me and my co-founder faced when we went out to publish his book. So this is because I also wanted to launch mine also after some certain point. So with his, I felt ki it's a right learning for me because of he is doing that and I'm involved in reaching out the publisher and everything. So I'll also learn a thing or two when I will launch my book. And then we realized there's a lot of problem where we don't get the replies, and also the other self-publisher that were there. So the starting point was like 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees to publish your book. And that too, if you have the contacts. So we had neither of them. So we wanted a bit of solution that will give us a lot of distribution, that is affordable, that is accessible, and that is very easy for us to publish our book. It shouldn't go into 6 months just designing a book, putting it on Amazon, creating Amazon seller account. There was a lot of things, finding a printer. So we wanted to make it a simplified single click solution, and that's how Bookleaf started, and that's what we do. We make a publishing single click away. Yeah.
So that is actually so good, because I myself know about this entire process of publishing, because I have published a poetry book myself. So I know this entire process and how hectic it can get, like, firstly, to the reaching out thing, it's so hard that you put out mails to people and they don't reply back. So I saw the episode in which your co-founder was mentioning about his book. So he emailed a lot of people, and they don't reply back actually. And जब आपको 3-4 महीने बाद reply आता है, it's a rejection mail that we are not taking in the book. So I do understand this process, and it's a very hectic process. So I do think that it's something really good that you're doing, providing this platform for aspiring writers, because I do feel that every person has a writer in them. So if they choose to do it, so it's like a very great platform for them.
Yeah.
So I would want to understand what has been your story, since you mentioned in the episode also that you have been writing as well. You and your co-founder both were writing Instagram pay and all. What has been your story with writing? Like, how did you start writing, and what was the story behind it?
Yeah, so like of course, like for the writing, and I'd start with poems. So in our textbooks, CBSE, if you are from, I don't know, if you're like ICSC student, but still I'll drop that. Okay. So in CBSE, we
Yeah.
very much enchanted by those. Ki how can you like frame a word to just create a different meaning out of the same words that we have been using day to day. So that creativity, I really love that, and it was my small space. Like of course, like as a middle class student, I was also very studious. So there was this constant pressure, ki, like you have to be do great. So those poems, those novels were my like escape
Safe
from the
space. Yeah.
exactly. So it started with more of escapism, Kiana. Like I have something that doesn't feel like study, that doesn't feel like obligation. It's like I'm in different world. So that was my basic motivation. Then what happened was in 12th class, I got diagnosed with like tuberculosis. So and 12th class was like board. So I was,
Yeah.
and you know that like for the pressure of 12th class, like getting into the due, cracking that cut off, it was like too much for me. And I was admitted in hospital for like 14 days. And there was this whole 8 months course of tuberculosis. And I was like, oh my God, like you get this feeling of like, you are left behind. All your class fellows are, getting ahead of you. You are just
Yeah.
like, and it was not, in hindsight, it was not that difficult, but because of your age pressure, 12th class, and you get this feeling, मेरे साथ ही क्यों हो रहा है? Like
Hmm.
11th में हो जाता, 12th में क्यों हो रहा है? ठीक है.
Hmm.
So that's why I got that cut, and at that time Geo happened. So before that we didn't had the internet. We got the internet because of Geo. So
Hmm.
these two things got combined. Because of the different classes, I was like, yeah, but you know, like God is not my side. Like I don't want to study. ठीक है, ये क्या बात होती है? ठीक है, I was like constantly above average student. I was
Hmm.
like I was like getting second or first rank in my class, and suddenly I'm like in 12th class. I'm
Yeah.
like was getting good marks. So then वो थोड़ा सा है ना, you get just it's more of bitter feeling that you get with something that is not going your way. And again Geo, and then I had this another world of YouTube where I was consuming this, follow your passion, do this, do that. So
Hmm.
then I got subsumed into that, and I'm like, maybe I can be a writer because I love writing. So I'm like,
Hmm.
let's like study se kya hi mil gaya mujhe, so let's go into this direction, be a writer. So that was the delusion was my main reason to
Oh
go
my God.
into
I relate so much to this. I am a very delusional person, and मेरे लिए also the story of writing was मतलब beginning वहीं से हुई जब escapism वाली चीज. जैसे जब आप अपने teen years में होते हो ना, तो इतना कुछ हो रहा होता है that you actually need an escape from the reality, कुछ खुद के लिए time. So I feel that writing is that safe space for me, just like you said, कि थोड़ा reality से हटके, it's like my own time that I have when I'm writing something.
Exactly. So that's how like my love for writing started, my love for reading started, and it's still with me. Although like I don't write that much, I'll be honest. I don't know, maybe बड़े होते होते मुझे आ गया कि मैं इतना अच्छा लिखती नहीं हूँ. ठीक है. So that that didn't go well. I journal a lot, but I don't make time for writing a story or novel because I realize I might not be a good writer, but I can be a good founder. So my passion became being an entrepreneur, but my love for reading is as visible as like I have lots of books and I read. I every day there is not even a single day when I don't read. So
Hmm.
reading is still there, and like I read both non-fiction, fiction, and I feel fiction changes you within. Like in self-help, there is always do this, do that. It's like constant pressure. It's the same thing you have been hearing. You are saying to yourself कि ये करना चाहिए, चाहे कितना भी best दे दो, you see one lacking. But with fiction, you changes, you get into the character. Suppose a character is hardworking, you are just so mesmerized by that character, and you start acting like that without you knowing. So I feel
Hmm.
fiction changes me from within, and as a leader, I follow this empathy style. Like my leadership is more of empathy rather than like a strict person. Ki, why did it happen? Because I feel with empathy, I can get the best out of from my team members, and they relate. They are with me when the book leaf is not in a good position or it's a difficult time. So because of that same empathy that I have showed them in their difficult time, they are with me in my difficult time, and
Hmm.
that also came from reading. So, yeah.
Yeah, so I really relate to that because I also read fiction. So I can see ki how you can connect with the characters there, and then you start taking in their characteristics without you knowing, as you mentioned.
Exactly.
कि आपको पता भी नहीं चलता, but you start taking up some of those, आपके personality में आ जाती है वो चीज़ें.
Exactly.
Hmm. So you mentioned about reading like every day. So I would want to know, what does a day in your life as a publisher or as an entrepreneur look like?
Yeah. So mostly my time goes into like, of course, thinking about what needs to be done. So there are
Hmm.
certain goals that we set. So we just make sure that we are on the right path. Because in entrepreneur, especially when you're scaling, the problem, like there is a line that Vinita Singh said again during one of the Shark Tank season. She said, company doesn't die of starvation, they die of indigestion. They take
Yeah.
so many things on their plate that they don't
Hmm.
know where to focus. So I'll say just my time, most of my time goes into making sure that we are on the same page, the whole team on the same page. They know what are the goals, because everyday things, so many things changes. We get distracted, like we seek new opportunities. Jabki, like we can see if we focus more, we can get far ahead than chasing new opportunities because it's more of like more glitter. Like
Hmm. Yeah.
if you are like, maybe if you're good at study, you will see मैं ये supplement खरीद लूँ, I'll buy this sample paper, I'll buy this, I'll buy that, and it's just the if you just focus on the like just few books, you gonna get all the knowledge that you want. So this is the same that happens in entrepreneurs. Like there are so many new opportunities that you have to say no to those and just
Hmm.
focus on the key thing that you're doing. So first, making sure that we all are thinking the same thing. That I cannot have my salesperson saying, "Kiana, can we do this? Can we do that?" No, 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 no. Just saying this, taking this out. Key, we have to say no to a lot of things. Secondly, of course, I'm into operations, so a lot of मेरे पे सारा रायता संभालने वाला काम आता है. तो खराब कर देते हैं ना, तो वो मुझे दे देते हैं. मैम अब क्या करें? मैंने कहा हाँ बहुत जल्दी आ रहे हो तुम मेरे पास. So I'm that. So I जो भी चीजें खराब होती है, so that comes under me and I have to resolve it in a very less time. And of course strategy. Like this is the most I spend my time in strategy and upskilling. Once everything, my whole 8 hours work day went away, like मेरा पूरा दिन हो जाता है, then I focus on the upskilling. The AI, and we got this feedback from
Yeah.
Anupam sir also. So I'm upskilling on AI and I'm loving it.
So you started your journey as a writer
Yes.
and you went on to become an entrepreneur. So how did that transition happen?
So that transition didn't feel like transition because like it's accidentally it happens because Musabir was already working on book leave, so I'm like I was preparing for CAT, and I was like, why don't you have the book leave? He had like he was running it as a freelancing. Okay, he had like 1%, 2% because his aim was to get the pocket money और उससे ज़्यादा पैसा आ नहीं रहा था, like pocket money नहीं reach हो रहा था. ठीक है, तो I was like, maybe you can give me one certificate that will help me in MBA interviews. So it's like, okay. Then after 2 days, I'm like, what if they ask me questions about like my internship? So I'm like, you can give me one internship so that I can learn few things, not a paid one, but I just want to learn new things so that the certificate, if people ask me question about like in the interview, if they ask me question about what the role you did, so I would know this. The confidence should come from within. So he's like, okay. And then when I started working on that, I got so obsessed, like because this was the first time, because I have always been like studious student, किताबों में घुसे रहना. This was the first time I was learning skills, and that time was COVID time, and also I kind of got this realization कि CAT तो एक साल में नहीं होने वाला. जी, मेरे से तो नहीं होने वाला. It will at least take me 2 years to crack that because of like of course I had the commerce. I was like good marks. Then I went into literature. So no connection with maths. Now CAT. Again, maths. So I'm like, it will gonna take me a lot of time. So and COVID was happening. So I was like, for whole my life, what I did, I learned, I mug up things. Then of course, then things changes. Like suppose even if I do CAT, वो मेरे काम नहीं आने वाला क्योंकि MBA में अलग चीज है. Even if I do MBA, वो मेरे जॉब में नहीं काम आने वाला. लाइक टू सम लेवल में काम आता है बट नॉट द मेजोरिटी ऑफ इट. फिर मुझे जॉब में जो जॉब है उस हिसाब से सीखना होगा. ठीक है. एंड इवेंचुअली इफ आई वांट टू स्टार्ट माय ओन कंपनी, तो वो मुझे कुछ और सीखना होगा. सो आई एम लाइक, इफ आई वांट टू स्टार्ट माय ओन कंपनी, जब मुझे बिजनेस में ही जाना है, तो व्हाई डोंट आई स्टार्ट फ्रॉम नाउ instead of going this like it's like learning new thing then leaving it, learning new thing leaving it. I want to do something that compounds with time. It shouldn't be like कि 11th में ये पढ़ा फिर 12th में कुछ और. So that was my main motivation. So I'm like, I stopped studying for CAT. My parents didn't know because I was in PG. Just for them, मैं बोल के गई थी मैं तो CAT पढ़ने जा रही हूँ. ठीक है, यहाँ पे बहुत disturbance होती है. And for 6 months, I was not touching any of my book. Like they're still like, वो मैंने बेड के नीचे डाल दी. मेरी नजरों के सामने नहीं आना चाहिए. And I said to myself, I'm gonna give myself 6 months in book leave. If something happens, I'm gonna continue this. If nothing, तो CAT ठीक है, 6 months ही तो delay होगा. Like और इससे क्या होगा ना, one suppose you have 2 options in your mind.
Yeah.
And your mind is going, and when you are like बहुत young भी होते हो तो बहुत ज़्यादा distracted होता है energy. So I'm always like ping pong ball की तरह. इससे क्या हो जाएगा, एक eliminate हो जाएगा. Yeah, I tried something else, it didn't work out for me, I didn't enjoy it, so and so forth. मैं फिर CAT बहुत अच्छे से दे दूंगी focusly. अभी 2 distraction में रहने से तो अच्छा ही होगा. And then book leave work. Like when I started working, मुझे इतना मजा आने लगा. मतलब मेरी नींद भी नहीं होती थी पूरी. And I was keep working on the book leave only. मतलब मुझे ये भी सीखना है, मुझे वो भी सीखना है. I have like till now I know everything about what is going in this industry with each company. What are the products? What are the services? Like I'm stalking everyone. And that time also I was doing the same thing. I'm like, let's try this, let's try that. So that was like that. Organically it happened, and I loved it.
So what was your parents' reaction after you changed your field?
So of course they didn't know. After 6 months, when they got to know how they got to know, then we started making money. So in 1 week, me and Musogi, we came up with this marketing idea, which is like, because there is a one problem that I figured out when I came to Bookly for last, उससे पहले for last 1 year Musafir was trying to get something लेकिन नहीं हो रहा था. Like we couldn't even make our salaries. Like my salary was like 13,000, his was 15. We couldn't make it at the end of the month. और I had PG. Like PG में मुझे I have to pay the rent and all, because मैं घर से आई ही थी, सबको ये बोल के कि I'll handle it. ठीक है, you don't need to worry about, because of course you are in Delhi, then you are moving in PG as a girl also, doesn't make any sense. So the only thing is like, मम्मी मैं संभाल लूंगी, I can pay, I have the money, ठीक है, I have the saving. And the constant worry when I was in PG is that कि पैसे next month के पैसे कैसे आएंगे, ठीक है. So then there was a loophole that I found, is like a lot of publishers are waiting for the manuscript to happen. Yeah, no, like पहले manuscript आए, then we start the process. And the problem with manuscript is, again, we are dealing with writers. The thing is, with writers, they procrastinate. So because of this, our whole pipeline suffers, because they might be writing, they might not be writing. So I wanted to make it, and especially that time, of course, when online COVID happened, people were a lot of time they were spending on phones. So we have a distraction called social media. So even you are passionate with a lot of distraction, you cannot write consistently. So I was like, so we have to change this. We cannot keep waiting for the manuscript to get finished. We want them to write rather than focusing on publishing. We have to be the writing first company, and that thing worked out. Like we started this challenge, 21 days writing challenge, and that blew up. And in 1 week, we got 30,000. That was more than what we were making in a month. Then when I got that amount, like, then मैंने घर जाके बोला कि मम्मी ये देखो ये हुआ है, फिर of course there is a backlash with my mother, like ये अभी पैसे की चिंता तू मत कर, पैसे हम दे देंगे, ठीक है, अभी से क्या पैसा पैसा करना, ठीक है, like this is like typical middle class
parents.
सब कुछ कर रहे हो तो बस पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दे, ठीक है. उसने नहीं मम्मी अब देखो, फिर I gave her like the timeline, like suppose in 2 years, like right now I'm 21, in 2 years my CAT will happen. Suppose I'm 23, then 2 years MBA happened, I'm 25, and of course I won't take money. I have to take education loan. Okay, then I'll have to give like 2-3 years to pay back that education loan. I'm 28. Then you won't tell me to start a business. Right now you are saying कि पहले सीख ले फिर business करियो, पहले job में आना तो चाहिए तुझे. But at 28, what do you wanna? You will be behind my back कि अब शादी कर लो. मैंने कहा ये तो गलत deal है. ठीक है. So that's how the conversation went, and फिर उसके बाद when the waste money increased, so फिर 30,000 we went, we did 1 lakh. So I told my mother. So फिर when they heard the money, they changed their opinions.
So money definitely matters.
It does. पहले क्या होता वो मे बी है ना, फिर like confidence आने लगता है पेरेंट्स में, जो सही कर रहे हैं. And my parents are from business. Like my father had a business. It's very small business, but they are from business. That's why they never wanted me to go into the business, of because it was small and it was unstable. So business is like like this only कि भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. तो they, and of course parents want their child life to be very simplified. तो उनको तो यही था कि सैलरी आती हर महीने स्टेबल, ये वो, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड. इतना बहुत झमेला होता है, क्या जाने की जरूरत है ये वो. But I saw my inspiration was my mother only. I saw her handling everything perfectly. The business, she was like, वो partner नहीं था, silently working. Who is like, तो नाम तो नहीं मिल रहा है आगे, लेकिन पीछे I can see in the room she is like constantly thinking about work, giving suggestions. She handled like a co-founder with my father, and along with she handled household also. Like we are 4, so she managed us also. ठीक है, मेरे पापा को तो पता भी नहीं था मैंने कॉमर्स ली, साइंस ली. लाइक टीटी में जाने से पहले कहना तुम्हें क्या आर्ट्स है, तेरे कॉमर्स है, कॉमर्स पापा कॉमर्स.
Yeah, that's the story with all dads. My dad was so confused कि तू 8th में है कि 9th में. मैंने कहा पापा 9th में हूँ यार. So as in the episode also Anupam asked, like last में he said कि what would AI be doing to this industry. So we would want to understand a little about the role that technology is currently playing in Bookleaf. Like how is technology being utilized, and what do you think that AI के जितने भी अब innovations आ रहे हैं, what would they be doing to this entire industry?
So I would say ki those who are not upskilling with AI, suppose like there was a time, right now also there are some companies who didn't involve with tech.
Yeah.
Like whole process is like human dependent, people dependent, and everything is very customized to the core. Customized in the sense like एक step दूसरा, it's like a factory that is going on with, there are some companies who are working like this in publishing industry, and because of that they left behind, like other company could came and take over. So like I'll give you an example, there were companies before us, they took like to get up to, we have published 16,000 books so far,
Hmm.
and they took 7 to 10 years to publish the same books, which we took only 4 years. So you can see the, because of the tech involvement in it, we in a half of the time we managed to come across the same number of books, the same number of productivity. AI will accelerate the same thing. If you are not incorporating AI, so the speed that you are working with, anyone can take over. And at the end, business is all about like it's a marathon where like you have to sustain yourself, but there are other people also who are running beside you, so you have to be ahead of everyone, making sure that वो जो 2 3 की competitor है आप उनसे आगे हो, ठीक है. AI will make this process much more. We said single click away, it will make it all the process of designing covers or formatting, ये सब को वो it's just like one prompt away कर देगा. I'll like
True.
one prompt away, from one click away to one prompt away. And that we also are incorporating in Bookleaf. Like, our goal is by the end of the May, we want to be Bookleaf, not bookleaf.in, but bookleaf.ai, where we should do all of these things again in just one prompt away rather than doing it tech oriented. So this is our goal, and this is how it's gonna happen. It will be one prompt away, designing, editing, everything. But the writing part, although the AI will help you. Suppose if you are writing a novel, I'm reading a book called Artificial Intelligence. It's written by an Oxford professor, Chipu Yuan. I hope how this is how you pronounce the name. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it's like it's published by O'Reilly, and it's like great book on artificial intelligence. So she took the help of AI in collecting the data and putting in like much better format for us to read it, like for us non-technical student who doesn't want to get into the technical details, or who want the technical details to be simplified to them like a standard person. So that's how she collected the data, and she researched from AI. So for non-fiction, AI can be a ally in making sure, in fact checking, in doing the research, in getting deeper. Suppose you have to read one book before writing this book, as a as a suppose you are writing a historical fiction. You have to write multiple books to know the history of that era. Instead of going through each and every chapter, you can take a help of AI to summarize it, give me the key takeaway, and just tell me, is it worth my reading if my goal is to write a book on medieval history? My historical fiction, but set in medieval history. Do you think this will help me achieve my goal? And rate me from 1 to 10 how much it will help me. So with this, you can pick and choose your resources, because right now we are transitioning from information age to intelligence age. And if you are still leading the way that it's more of like information age, if there are resources इकट्ठे कर लिए, then you are not getting ahead. You in your mind you are just getting overwhelmed कि इतना सब करना है मुझे. But with AI you can cut down that info by 50 to 30%, and you can just focus on what is relevant to you, what is most important to the task. So this is for the non-fiction. Same with the fiction. It's your story, your creativity. AI can give you the ideas. That's why we are saying here na, in AI, even the engineers, because you must be hearing the CEO of Anthropic, the CEO of Nvidia, they are saying coding will be, won't exist. Don't have coding. But what the other experts are saying, more than you become software engineer, we are becoming the product managers. So for that, you need to have critical thinking, because ultimately you are taking the judgment. AI will give you the suggestion, but it's your judgment that is working the way. So that's how in writing also, it's you are more of a manager now. More than writing everything, AI can be the ghostwriter, but it's your creativity, your story, it's your imagination, and AI can help you in the brainstorm.
Agreed. So we have some platforms like we have this Wattpad जहाँ पे online short stories आप लिख के publish कर सकते हो, and we also have this e-books जैसे आ रही हैं, online people can publish their stories. तो like do you think that affects this publishing industry कि लोग मतलब online ही publish कर देते हैं जैसे they have this option. तो why would they go for this hard copy वाली चीज़ when they can easily do it like free of cost online अपनी story publish कर सकते हैं.
Yes, and people have been doing this.
Yeah.
So this is more of not a replacement because there is a nostalgic feeling that is with
Yeah.
your work in print. And there is a theory called if the thing is have been existed for more than 100 to 200 years, it will seem to exist. मतलब जो चलता आ रहा है वो चलता रहेगा. There is a theory which I feel in books it is like this because books को replace करने के लिए आपके पास क्या क्या नहीं है. ऑडियो बुक है, ई बुक्स है, summary है. Now there is AI also, there is podcast also. If they would have replaced it, तो ये तो अभी तक books होती ही नहीं, वो पूरी वो extinct हो चुकी होती. But with the book is like suppose you are reading the same thing on ebook, you are listening the same thing in audiobook, but when you are reading you are the most aware state, so you are imbibing everything and it's your imagination. अगर book को replace ही कर चुके होते तो Netflix is the best thing. OTT would have replaced it, but the difference is it's their imagination, and when you are reading book it's your imagination. The feeling, it's the feeling that has kept the book going. And in online of course we get the feeling, but with paperback there is a feeling and nostalgia, they both are there. That's why the paperback are still existent. Like paperback has more scale, ebook are increasing at a good rate, but right now also it's the paperback that is leading this industry. So I do feel even I ask the same questions. So I feel like maybe it's only the nostalgic. Those who are into this, like जो टीजी है उनको बुक पे पढ़ना
हाथ में
पसंद है.
चाहिए होती है like I cannot read online, मुझे भी हाथ में पकड़ के पढ़ना पसंद है.
Or there are like 2-3. There is a one segment who are just going towards ebook, but that is relatively smaller.
Yeah.
The much larger and the much dominant is mix. कुछ e-books पे है books उनकी, like Kindle पे कुछ books होगी, कुछ Apple books पे होगी, ठीक है, phone में या tab में, और कुछ paperback है. So this is the most dominant one. Like this.
So, ma'am, I don't understand one thing that like in Mumbai we have this place called Kolaba Causeway, जहाँ books 100-150 रुपए में बहुत बिक रही है, and you can find literally every book over there. So in the page of Shark Tank, you said that book industry, paperback industry is going by 1%. तो मुझे वो चीज़ समझ नहीं आ रही because people are buying books like crazy. There are books like Love Hypothesis or that book Ends With Us. लोग अभी भी खरीद रहे हैं. But I still don't understand why is it growing by just 1%.
Because these are like verified or non, like legal or non or illegal. The mostly books that are होता क्या है, जैसे ही एक book bestseller पे आ जाती है या viral हो जाती है, all the markets get flooded with pirated copies of those.
Yes.
That's why in terms of data, when you say we are taking we are taking the organized legal data. Okay. If we add the pirated also, the number would be so much like more and so much. Right now, this number is very nuanced number. It is just we are taking the organized Amazon से जो data आ रहा है ये वो survey का number है. But if we take the unorganized pirated, ये number like it will be a lot. Like I'll say 6-7% आराम से होगा. But the book is like as soon you get bestseller tag, there is like pirated copies. And the rates are like the book you list on Amazon, it's like 300-350 for a fiction, 250 paperback book. And the same book you get on pirated, like we have a book market called Daryaganj in Mahila Haat.
Yeah.
You get 100 rupees.
We also get that outside the Delhi book fair. Like we have the book fair, uske bahar also people are selling the books at this price, 100-150.
At the end, it's the information. Very less, as I have observed in behavioral, ठीक है कि लोगों का जो behavior है, it's the information. They are much more interested in the story. तो वो अगर एक like उसमें author को royalty मिल रही है नहीं मिल रही, they couldn't care less. There are very few people who just want to have the real feel कि मुझे pirated book नहीं read करनी है, ठीक है, who are genuine, who wants to give कि मैं ये खरीद रही हूँ तो author को भी royalty जा रही है. But majority of the people they take this 100. उनको तो ये भी नहीं पता होगा it's a pirated book. उनको तो लगता ही होगा इसका रेट ही यही है. So So that is the major problem that comes, and like this is not solved, fortunately. Even in the ebook, if you know library Genesis or Z library, you get the same ebook format भी pirated हो जाता है,
Pirated मिलता है, yeah.
become like new, free of cost. So it's running like this has been, people are trying to publish are trying to solve this. But जैसे म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में है कि तुम्हें मिल ही जाती है कॉपी, चाहे तुम स्पॉटिफाई पे लॉन्च करो या कुछ भी, ठीक है. सो द सेम ई बुक एंड पेपरबैक, द इलीगल वेज आर स्टिल एग्जिस्टेंट एंड वेरी एक्टिव.
In the music industry also, like Pirate Bay जब था तब बहुत easily accessible था music. Then Spotify came into the scene and then they changed the entire thing कि अब लोग ज़्यादा
लाइक उस टाइम पे क्या था, सीडीज वर गोइंग ऑन, सीडीज का पायरेट पेज आया, ठीक है. देन स्पॉटिफाई पे सबसे बड़ा जो देयर वाज दिस लाइक आई वुड से रेजिस्टेंस इज फ्री म्यूजिक, बिकॉज इन सीडी वाज नॉट फ्री. So you made it free with the help of advertisement, then it became legal.
They also worked a lot behind the scenes, right? In the tech, they made the latency very low. So एक क्लिक में आपका म्यूजिक चल रहा है. तो आपको लगता है कि कोई एक कंपनी ऐसी इन द फ्यूचर या फिर आप लोग ही कुछ करो जिससे जो बुक रीडिंग का इंटायर प्रोसेस है वो बहुत ही सिंप्लीफाई हो जाए ताकि पायरेसी हो ही ना या फिर बहुत कम हो जाए, बिकॉज पायरेसी इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग. एंड अगर 100-150 रुपए में कॉपियां बिक रही है एंड 7-8% से वो इंडस्ट्री ग्रो कर रही है, दैट मीन्स जो एक्चुअल ऑथर है जिसने वो बुक लिखी है, ही इज अर्निंग लाइक पैसास फॉर ईच रुपी. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दैट?
Yes, like it's the same thing, AI taking the data all over the internet, where a lot of people are doing cases on OpenAI ki hai na, but you cannot prove it. Like this, it's in the form, ठीक है. Even if you put some metric जिससे वो copy paste ना हो पाए, there is a like of course the AI help you can do this, but at the end it is like जो सारा text तुम समझ लो जो internet पे सारा text है, and ये जो new companies आ रही है, they don't have right to take those things, but they are taking those things and generating it in their own model. So there is no way that you can prove do not take my work. So they will be a waste. इसको कम किया जा सकता है, but I have tried my best to like brainstorm on it. I didn't find a way. Like how it can be like they cannot take it in any which way.
So I just have this last question. How was your tank experience?
Oh, that was like honestly like I don't know. It was I'll say more than in thrilling. It was exhausting. For 3-4 days, like there was like constant anxiety. Such more like for that 3-minute pitch, you have to prepare for 3 days along with the numbers, along with the जो presentation लगना है, along with the there is a lot of background checks that happens. आपका GST, आपका filing, सब कुछ. और प्लस जो आप डेटा बोल रहे हो कि इतना अगर नहीं एक्सेप्ट हो रहा तो वो डेटा कहाँ से मिलता है. So many 5-4 teams are just behind your back. मुझे अभी चाहिए, मुझे अभी चाहिए, मुझे अभी चाहिए. Along with you have to word to word you have to learn this 3 minute of pitch, which you like of course like मेरी retention नहीं है इतनी अच्छी, like you cannot act. हमारे में तो skit भी था. So we were just it was this exhaustion emotionally, like mentally, physically, क्योंकि सोने का ही नहीं मिलता था टाइम, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. हम 9 बजे आते, कभी बार 9-10 बजे आते थे, वो नाश्ता करते थे, फिर सुबह दोबारा जाना होता था सेट पे. And there we were just like of course there was lunch and all, ठीक है, very good team, very good arrangement, but you were just constantly living on coffee and tea. इतनी आ रही है, your mind is just not working at all. So yeah, that was this, but it was like once in a lifetime. And like पहले है ना, like I used to be like क्या ना, I was not much of like wearing t-shirt, name on a t-shirt. Now after Shark Tank, all my clothes are book leaf. Everywhere, every clothes I have book leaf written. So it's that experience कि है ना, like वो company को तुम ऐसे देखने लगते हो अपनी, ये book leaf, ये Shark Tank में गई है, like this.
So how did you feel after meeting the sharks?
They are very nice people, very nice. And I'll be honest, जो मेरा वो part भी आया कि है ना, actually in no way you can get the 1 hour of these people. Like
yes,
like I think so with every hour they are earning a crore. Okay? And I just took like 5 crore worth of consultation with them in 1 hour. Although episode में दो like 15-20 minutes, but it was 1 hour in the tank. And they are super nice. ये तो background score होता है जो दिखाता है वो ये कह दिया वो, but they are super nice, you know, listening to you. पर थके उन सबकी बात लगी होती है सेट पे, सब 12-12 घंटे काम कर रहे हैं, 12-12 घंटे, तो even the sharks were very like थके हुए थे, ठीक है, but still they listen very intently, बहुत अच्छे feedback दिए, and they were very like, this is the first time we got the validation, me and Musafir. You like, because of course with a name in the book and publishing now, you add those names and the people are like, but like, why are you not in fintech, tech, like those sexy names, like it's very unsexy business, printing, book, publishing, ठीक है, so we never get, जबकि we were, in terms of earning, we were earning good, you know, good revenue, and right now we mentioned 6 CR, we have crossed that 6 CR, we are closing this year with 8 CR, and yes, and EBITDA is also increased from 20 to 25. So this is, we are like, okay, we are doing great. But the validation that these people are saying, you know, there was like Piyush का नहीं आया, but Piyush said कि है ना, ये बहुत आपने बहुत world class dashboard बनाया है. This is very good. And we're like, these two tech handicapped this. So that validation that will stay with me. कि है ना, मतलब, you know, that वो stage पे खड़े होके जो feel आपको मिली, it's like the first time you come first. आपको वो repeat करना है पूरी life. है ना, वो इच्छा रहती है कि मैं ये करूँ, like, you know, that feeling I want to have. So that stayed with me, and I just want to repeat that feeling. है ना, वो जैसे मैंने उस टाइम फील किया था, वो वैलिडेशन और वो इतने लोगों से तारीफ करना, मुझे वो फील करना है अपनी लाइफ में खुद से, तो that is like, it changes you. It's again once in a lifetime opportunity, I'll say.
Do you see yourself sitting on the other side of the tank?
I have imagined, and from the very first season I have seen myself.
That is the beauty of, you know, being an author or being so delusional. You
हाँ.
can imagine multiple things.
मैं तो like, मेरा अगर like, of course you don't get the confirmation of Shark Tank, कैसे नहीं कि आपने won, like कहीं किसी स्टेज पे आपको confirmation नहीं दी जाती, even not in airing, आपका एपिसोड आगे like shoot हो चुका है, आपको फंडिंग भी मिल गई, ठीक है, तो भी ये गारंटी नहीं होती कि आपका एयर होगा या नहीं. तो in any state, it's just a S in Shark Tank stands for surprise, ठीक है, और shock. It's suspense, it's only suspense, ठीक है. So that was the only thing that was keep holding me. ठीक है, अगर नहीं होता यार, या नहीं जाते स्टूडियो राउंड तक, like will come as a shark. So, yeah.
So I think that was it from our side in terms of the questions, but we have like one little fun segment towards the end. I hope we have time, like 2-3 minutes for that.
Yes.
So it's like we have two options. You can choose whatever you wish to do. So the first one is it's called an escape room. So basically, you would have to make a kind of a confession that you actually don't like to acknowledge in public, something that you might have done or something like that you might not want to acknowledge in public. Or the second one is two truths and a lie. So you'll be giving us 3 statements, say maybe about book leaf, about publishing, about books, anything. And me and Anne, we'll be making a guess कि उसमें से कौन सा is a true statement, कौन सा is a lie.
First one.
Yeah, okay.
So I have to make a like statement which I don't do in public.
Yeah, which you don't like
to. A confession, yeah, that you haven't told anyone or you won't say in public.
It's like a very fun thing, so it can be anything.
Yeah, it can be anything.
Yeah, sometimes I, like a lot of times, I don't like to work. I just pretend to work. You know, when my team is around, okay, so it's of course 8 hours of work, and I'm just pretending the work. so not in a mood to work, and I'm slowly like just you know, reading something which they are thinking कि I'm doing some research or some like, you know, upskilling, but I'm just reading. You know, you can see any like right now I'm just reading this Pachinko. Okay, this is a book. Okay, reading this. So I have a small tab on my laptop.
Oh.
As soon as any team members comes, like I'm like, okay, I'm working. So that I'm like, I see my come across as a person who works very hard, always motivated. My सबसे मेरे breakthrough ideas होते हैं तो मैं chill कर रही होती हूँ, ठीक है. So I don't like to work that much. मैं बहुत आलसी हूँ. अंदर से वो बहुत लाइक देयर इज अ लाइक पार्ट गुड पार्ट इन मी दैट इज वेरी आलसी. मैं बहुत मन करता है, मैं जब जब मैं टीम को जल्दी भेज देती हूँ, नॉट बिकॉज आई एम गिविंग देम लाइक यू नो अ डे टू रेस्ट. आई एम गिविंग माय
Myself a day to rest.
यार जल्दी चले जाओ, ठीक है, आज तुम्हारे लिए मैंने ये कर दिया, जल्दी चले जाओ, बट इट्स फॉर मी that I want to close the day as well. So,
Oh yeah. So thank you so much, ma'am. It was so good having you on the episode, and
so
we got
I,
to learn a lot actually.
thank you so much. I really enjoyed the conversation when you guys are like, it didn't feel like a podcast, it felt like a some or like really conversation, real conversation, and you know you guys are doing great.
I'm so glad to hear that actually.
Ayan has been waiting to hear this. He always said, let's make it more of a conversation and not seem like an interview or something.
If you guys reach this far, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.
And we'll be seeing you in the next episode.
Bye bye.